just fishing River Don today. Further upstream's where River Loxley joins River Don. It's just at back of Hillsborough. Loads of factories in background. Coming winter and it was flooded, and we absolutely, well, we didn't have anything at all, not even a bite. But it looks quite promising today. Just brought my little drop shot rod, just easy to walk about with, and I'm just using a bit of ground bait with hemping and maggot on hook, and that's it. It looks a good stretch of river apart from the fridge that's stuck in down there, which is great. Let's see what we have today, see if we get any fish. Got ya.
Go on. Oh, really? Just the one.
Only a baby. I'll use that. Let's go.
It is, isn't it? Yeah. We're right up here, we've come up, you'll see there's like a silver, a frigid ladder, but we're right, come up, we're right all the way along edge. Come. It's deeper up here, there's some trees, we're overhanging trees. We've tried down there, we've moved one spot, we have come down there, but it's better up here. I can see they walking up now. Grayling. What's a trout?
Lovely fish.
It's maggot TV. Now it's going. I'm moving to this closer. I look so. Alright.
What a little beaut.
Fucking hell, it's gone straight away now. As soon as it's hit water.